everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the garden. It's been a little while since I've made a video, but I'm trying to get back into things, trying to regain motivation. I've just been really down the last, few weeks, almost a month now. But I wanted to go out in the yard and get some biennial seeds started. So basically what I'm going to do today is I am going to be starting the seeds for my biennial bells of Ireland. I am also going to be growing some verbascum as well as some dianthus pinks, and some carnations, sweet williams, and Canterbury bells, also what I will be starting today. The temperatures are still quite warm, so germination is going to depend on what the weather is like where you are. Ideally, probably the ideal temperatures would be about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I definitely don't have that outdoors for germination, so while germinating these indoors would certainly be an option. I also don't have any grow lights. So what I am just going to do is I'm going to fill my potting trays full of a nice, consistently moist potting soil, and I am going to sow these seeds. Of these seed types that I'm growing today, I do surface sow every single one of those and just make sure to firmly press it into the soil. As I sow the seeds, make sure it's coming in really good contact. Give that a thorough watering with just the mist nozzle on my garden hose to make sure that the seeds aren't getting too disturbed. After that, I'm just going to move these trays into a shady location into the garden. This is very important, a shady location, because it's going to help the germination. It's going to help make sure that that tray is not going to dry out. Like I said, if you're not certain whether or not you'll be able to keep that moisture level consistent, you can start these indoors. I just like to start them outdoors because obviously, midsummer here, there's no chance of frost, and the humidity is nice and high, and it seems like I get really good germination because of that nice high humidity that I get in the summer. But again, it just depends on where you live. It's kind of a process of trial and error, trying to kind of discover what works and what doesn't work for you. In general, these seeds don't really need much special treatment with the exception of the bells of Ireland. For those seeds, I wrap those in a damp paper towel and I put those seeds in the refrigerator for a solid 2 to 2.5 weeks. That just is really going to help the germination, because germination, let's face it, with bells of Ireland can be extremely frustrating. So hopefully we will have good results. As always, of course, you will see those results in the coming weeks here on the channel. So if you're interested, be sure to stay tuned for that. With any luck, hopefully these seedlings will be ready to transplant around the first week of October here in my garden, and we'll get those ready to overwinter, and by next spring, early summer, we'll have some really, really gorgeous blooms. It's really about it for now. Nothing's really been happening in my garden. I've just kind of taken a break for it, just kind of overwhelmed. But I have been still making flower arrangements and donating them. I just haven't been motivated to record them. Also, lots of hummingbirds and butterflies visiting our, our tithonia and our zinnias and our beautiful Spanish flag vines. They look absolutely gorgeous. Lots of flowers on those now, but that's really about it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. I'm making all kinds of garden videos. Hope you like it. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.